Good morning, students. Topic of the day is subject verb agreement. Actually, we will continue it because in our first video we have done something about subject verb agreement, and now we will do next. Okay, subject verb agreement means the use of verb according to subject. Okay, so I have written here few points, so you have to remember about them, and if you are able to remember them, then I assure you, you will not commit any mistake in the exam. Okay, so see first, Mukesh as well as means few conjunctions are there which I have written here, or few words we can say. Okay, if these words are there, then according first subject we use helping verb. Okay, how? See, Mukesh as well as his friends was, according to Mukesh, present. Now I with my friends am ready to go, according I. Okay, if with is there. Next, Megha together with. If together with also, then Megha together with her brothers has gone. You can see has. Megha singular, that's why has gone to Delhi. I beside, if beside is there, then according I, you can see am, to be held responsible for this. Okay, no one except you is responsible for this blunder. No one, according this, no one. Okay, according this, no one means singular is. He along with, he, if along with, then also is, according to he, you can see according to he. Okay, honesty, if in addition to, you can see in addition to, then according this. Okay, honesty in addition to labor is the key to success. Now Mohan and not you is real hero, according Mohan. If and not, so you have to remember these words. Okay, and you have to revise for this according to time. Geeta no less than, if no less than, then also according this. His, here, her sisters was responsible for this mistake. So according this, Geeta. Okay, was. And now next point 14. If not only but also, then we use verb according this second subject. Okay, not according this. We use this helping verb according this. Not only he but also his parents have been invited for dinner. So his parents plural, that's why have. Now not only the students, you can see plural, but also the teacher singular, that's why was. Because if not only but also, then we use according this second one. Okay, now point 15. The man who is, the man according this first one, if who is there, then according the man who is walking on the road is my friend. Now the men who are walking on the road are my friends. Okay, according this. Okay, now Mr. Kunal is one of those police officers. One of those plural, है ना? But one of those police officers who do not compromise with the criminals. Now we are talking about police officers. If one of, in this way, one of those one of them police officers, one of these police officers in this way, then according this police officers, plural, that's why do not compromise with criminals. Okay, now next you can see a number of students are present. The number of students is 10. What is the difference? Here a number, here the number. Okay, if a number of students, then plural. If the number of students is 10, the number of students is 10. Now 8% of the 8% of 1/3 of, okay, 8% of the students have passed according this. Okay, have passed. Now 1/3 of the work has been completed. You can see the difference. If 1% of 1/3 of 1/4 of 1/5 of, after this, if any countable noun is there, then according that we use. Means if countable noun is there and countable noun जो है हमारा plural है, then according this. If uncountable, you can see here the work is uncountable, that's why has. You will remember this. Okay, now his, her, their, the, such, according this now we will see. His mathematics are weak, means his mathematics means ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एल्जेब्रा, कोऑर्डिनेट मींस ऑल टुगेदर, सारा जो हिसाब किताब आता है उसमें, यहाँ पर ये मतलब है उससे. हिज मैथमेटिक्स आर वीक. हिज पॉलिटिक्स, उसकी जो पॉलिटिक्स है, आर डर्टी, मींस ऑल द पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू पॉलिटिक्स, जो सारी बातें आती हैं उसमें. द वेजेस ऑफ सिन इज डेथ. नाउ सी हियर, द वेजेस ऑफ सिन इज डेथ. नाउ इफ पनिशमेंट ऑफ सिन, यहाँ पर पनिशमेंट ऑफ सिन है, द वेजेस ऑफ सिन, सिन का जो पनिशमेंट होता है वो क्या होता है? डेथ होता है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग दिस. नाउ दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. द जूरी इज डिवाइडेड इन इट्स ओपिनियन. हियर ऑल्सो द जूरी आर डिवाइडेड, इज डिवाइडेड, आर डिवाइडेड इन इट्स देयर. यस, रिमेंबर, इफ देयर इज देयर, देयर आता है, देन प्लूरल. इफ इट्स, देन सिंगुलर. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. द ऑडियंस वर गेटिंग बोर्ड. द ऑडियंस, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग द मेंबर्स और ईच एंड एवरी, जो सारे हैं वहां पर, ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द क्राउड. जो क्राउड्स में बहुत सारे मेंबर्स हैं, भीड़ है, पर्सन है, पीपल है. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट देम. अब उनके सारों के बारे में बात हो रही है. दैट्स व्हाई द ऑडियंस वर गेटिंग बोर्ड. मींस ऑडियंस में क्या है? पीपल बैठे हैं, तो एक बोर्ड नहीं है. मींस इफ ऑल द पर्सन्स, ऑल द पीपल, देन इन दिस वे वी यूज वर. द कमिटी आर डिवाइडेड ऑन दिस इशू. द कमिटी means all the members. Now we are talking about all the members. Okay, that's why are. Now the crowd were shouting. Same here, the crowd were shouting means crowd हमारी सिंगल नहीं होती है कि क्राउड में केवल एक पर्सन को क्राउड बोल देते हैं या 2% को हम क्राउड बोल देते हैं. मीन्स मोर देन, बहुत ज्यादा नंबर में होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई द क्राउड वर शाउटिंग. द पब्लिक, सेम हियर, द पब्लिक आर tired of traffic jam. My family are, you can see, my family are early risers means all the members of my family they get up early in the morning. means यहाँ पर सभी members को include किया गया है. okay, that's why are. The team are full of joy. The team are full of joy means team, the is there na, that's why you can see, you know. Okay, the, my, you know, I have written here. Okay, in this way. Now see, the, my, you know, my family means we are talking about all persons. सभी person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. The team are full of joy means all the players of the टीम के जो सारे प्लेयर्स हैं उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, फुल ऑफ जॉय. ओके, एंड नाउ वी विल डू नेक्स्ट. Yes, next you can see I have written a few points for you. The poor are honest. The poor. These words also show plural. The rich are not always happy. The honest means all the persons who are honest. The honest are rewarded. The old are generally neglected, means old persons. Okay, now the people of Bihar are hardworking. The people of Bihar, you know very well, people, means plural is there. Okay, many different peoples, you can see peoples live in India. What is the difference between people and peoples? People means common. When we talk about common people, है ना, common के बारे में बात करते हैं. But when we talk about different caste, religions, उनकी caste के religion के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use peoples. Okay, live in India. A team of players has come here, है ना, a team of. Now a team singular हो गया, a team of players. A bunch of keys is lying there. The trousers he is wearing are dirty. The trousers he is wearing are dirty. A pair of trousers is enough for me. Now a pair, if a bunch, a pair, a team, then singular. Okay, next. Your thinking and mine are similar, means your thinking and my thinking, two things are there, are similar. When he will come and go are not known. When he will come, when he will go, two things are there, then plural. What you say and think are no business of mine. What you say and what you think. Okay, now this last, all is well, all are well. When we talk about whole, then all is well. And when we talk about all persons, then all are well. Both are correct. Okay, so we have completed subject verb agreement. So it's my humble request to all of you, please, you have to revise them by heart. Okay, then definitely you will get these all. Goodbye.